Welcome to the Bosch Virtual Driving Center. Here we use computer simulations of a wide range of driving situations to continually advance automotive technology. In a critical braking situation, every centimeter can be crucial in determining whether or not a crash will occur. Accident analyses have revealed that although many drivers react very quickly, they do not brake hard enough. The EVA mechanical brake system from Bosch, which is incorporated into the brake booster, recognizes emergency braking from the rapid application of the brake and helps the driver to build up maximum braking force. To explain how the EVA mechanical brake assist system operates, let's start by taking a closer look at a brake booster. Brake boosters are designed to increase the driver's pedal force. This increase is achieved through pressure differences. Inside a brake booster are two chambers, A and B, which are separated by a movable diaphragm. When the brake is not in use, there is a vacuum in both chambers. A spring pushes the diaphragm into the brake's initial position. When the driver applies the brake pedal, ambient air flows into the rear chamber B, causing higher pressure to build up in front of the diaphragm plate. A pressure difference thus develops between front chamber A and rear chamber B, which pushes the diaphragm plate toward the master cylinder, enhancing pedal force. In the case of standard braking with constant pedal force, counter pressure in the master cylinder brings the operating rod and the valve piston into equilibrium. Ambient air continues to flow into chamber B through the open valve and pushes the diaphragm plate toward the master cylinder. Now the reaction disc causes the valve piston to come to rest on the flat seat valve, stopping the supply of ambient air. Thus the brake assist system is self-regulating. In a full braking action, the valve between atmosphere and chamber B is completely open, creating atmospheric pressure in chamber B, which allows the maximum possible auxiliary force to be transferred. In the case of emergency braking, this means that the more ambient air flows in, the greater the pressure in chamber B, and the greater the braking force. At this point, an inertia-controlled valve, which is part of the EVA brake assist system, comes into play. If the brake pedal application speed exceeds a specific value during emergency braking, the valve immediately opens the connection between chamber B and the atmosphere, as it does for full braking. Independent of the driver's brake pedal application, within fractions of a second the full pressure difference takes effect, providing maximum enhancement of braking force until ABS actuation. The result of a comparison between an ABS vehicle with and without a brake assist system speaks for itself. The stopping distance can be reduced by up to 60%. The EVA mechanical brake assist system from Bosch enables a significant improvement in road traffic safety, and it achieves this at a very low cost. Welcome to the Bosch Virtual Driving Center. Here we use computer simulations of a wide variety of driving situations to continually further develop automotive technology. As a market and technology leader in Europe for over 100 years, the name Bosch has stood for the highest quality and performance in spark plugs, in motorsports, and as original equipment. In total, Bosch has produced over 10 billion spark plugs. Especially when it comes to spare parts, drivers want to be assured of original quality. Bosch can offer them two different product lines: Super and Super Plus spark plugs, as well as the premium line Super 4. Let's start with the Bosch Super spark plug. In both stop-and-go urban traffic or in a speedy drive on the freeway, Bosch Super spark plugs quickly achieve their self-cleaning temperature, thus reducing soot accumulation in the engine. This ensures environmentally friendly combustion and optimal fuel consumption. Bosch Super spark plugs are available for almost every gasoline engine. That's 98% of all vehicles. It's no accident that they're Europe's best-selling spark plugs. The plus in the name distinguishes the most popular spark plug in our Bosch Super program. The center electrode in the Bosch Super Plus is made of a special nickel-yttrium alloy that provides outstanding corrosion protection. This high wear resistance makes it possible to aggregate several electrode gaps with absolutely no compromise to operating life. The spark plugs can thus be deployed more universally. Fewer types provide coverage of the same range of vehicles. The key player of our product lines is called Super 4. This high-performance spark plug works according to the proven semi-surface air gap principle and is the first spark plug with 4 thin ground electrodes and a pointed silver-plated center electrode. This combination is an innovation unique in the world and offers significant advantages. Adapting to the burden on the engine, the spark plug always selects the best path to reliable ignition. This increases ignition reliability over the long spark gap. The driver experiences the benefits directly in higher performance, smoother running, in superior engine flexibility, and in better acceleration, but with lower fuel consumption. Our spark plug lines Bosch Super, Super Plus, and Super 4 give customers the highest level of reliability and performance. Thanks to their high quality and premium manufacturing materials, Bosch spark plugs hold up under enormous daily operational demands for a long time, delivering 20 to 30 million strong, reliable ignition sparks. Everything starts with energy, and when it comes to supplying the electrical systems in today's modern vehicles with energy, the generator is the basis for a safe supply. And that's why Bosch has developed efficient generators for passenger cars and commercial vehicles. This Highline generator, for instance, a small power station for a large number of electrical consumer units. Further development aims to increase efficiency and temperature resistance, as well as to reduce weight, size, and noise for the benefit of our customers. Bosch generators supply the energy needed to meet the safety and comfort demands of today's motor vehicles, with lower fuel consumption and reduced installation space, thanks to innovative technology. Every journey in an automobile begins with starting the engine. To enable our customers to start off quickly and safely, Bosch offers reliable starters for passenger cars and commercial vehicles. One turn of the key, the engine springs to life. That's how it should be, and that's what Bosch starters are all about. Because we give top priority to reliable operation and high performance. Further features are extreme longevity, efficiency, and a compact, lightweight construction. For greater freedom in vehicle development, as well as a reduction in fuel consumption and emissions. Safe, economical, trouble-free operation. That's what our customers associate with the Bosch range of starters, and that's exactly what they get.
Partly already mounted to the wiper arm, the original wiper blades are packaged and sent to assembling plants around the world. Bosch is the main supplier of original windscreen wipers to car manufacturers in the whole of Europe. The wiper blades for the spare part market are packed individually and sent to the Bosch distribution centre in Karlsruhe. The wholesale and retail trade is supplied from Karlsruhe. Bosch manufactures spare part wiper blades for all types of cars, from standard to the top class. Thanks to the quick clip, the standardized fastening system, the choice as well as the assembly is simplified for the customer. The Central Marketing Division in Karlsruhe has the task of furnishing information and launching advertising campaigns to ensure that Bosch wiper blades continue to be among the best-selling wiper blades.